Welcome guys to a short tutorial, and after this we will do our last tutorial. The thing is that we have made a little bit of a mistake, and we are going to fix it because whenever we are updating the image in the Firebase storage, this is causing the old image to be deleted. So if I add a new image, then the image that was uploaded here for another contact, let's say for Jon Snow, I had uploaded a different image, but it wasn't showing it. It was just updating the image for all of the contacts because it was just storing one image at one time, and it wasn't storing separate image for separate contacts. But in the database, every time we were getting new URL, so that is fine. But the mistake was here that we are giving the Firebase URI, Firebase ID. So we were just creating the wrong path. Let's say the reason was that because our Firebase was taking our ID, and every time, because we are the only one who is logged in the app, so every time we are adding an image, it is just updating the image for all of the contacts because the user ID is one. So if I take away the user ID from here, and now I will work with, I will just leave it like this, and this is our file path. And if we work with this, then every time if I have taken away the user ID, this was the user ID, and if I use the user ID in the file path, then no new images will be added, but it will override the image. So we will remove the user ID from our path, and also in register activity also we will remove the user ID from our path. Yeah, now it should work as expected. I have just fixed the code already, and I will just show you that the image will be updated even if it's the same photo, because I don't have many photos here. It should show here, the old image should remain here, it should never be overriding. But the only reason it was overriding because I was providing it my user ID, because the user is one, so obviously no matter how many times user will upload the image, it will be overridden. So you have to remove the Firebase your own user ID from the path. So now if I'm adding, no matter, regardless if I'm adding the same image, it should be added as a separate image. So separate, and if the code is wrong, then it will update an image, but if the code is right, then the third image will appear here. Let's see if the third image appears here or not. Maybe I should just refresh it. See, the third image is appearing here. Great. And the reason it is same because it is in the old code. When I had uploaded, it is just using the image from there. So yeah, and this is the test image, so it should show this. So all images are being shown perfectly. Now image is not being overridden. So this was the fix that we had to do, and please make that change. And now let's head to our last tutorial where I will be working on profile activity. And yeah, then this series will be done and we will be successfully, yeah, done with this series. Okay, so subscribe to my channel and take care of yourself. Bye.